Good evening. I'll take a quick look at my Cool Widgets project status report before I start my PowerPoint presentation. And this is basically, I am Adrian, the store, the project manager. Status report covers the date, scope statement, which I've revised and updated. Scope statement basically covers the objectives of the projects and the 5 W's. It also has the budget of the project and the date that it must be completed, which are very important. The status, the project has begun successfully with detailed activities and tasks that need to be put in place to get the materials needed to plan the course and deliver training to employees. The issue of programming with employees. I added Amber stating that I would recommend supplementing a new course, a web-based interactivity feature that will enable us to interact with the employees to train and tasks. The milestone accomplished for this reporting status is that we obtain all Microsoft Office and educational training tools so that we can begin to plan the courses. And the milestone for next week I will discuss in a power presentation. So look at the WBS dictionary. This is the Cool Widgets Employees Training Project. This is currently the 4th month since the project began. This is the second reporting period. The overall status is on schedule. Specific elements that affect the overall status is updating Microsoft Office to a web-based interactivity virtual feature that can be accessible to the employees in different states. Also, scheduling Cool Widget employees for trainings can be an issue. So, the web-based interactivity feature can eliminate this issue. But if not, we could also add resources to help with the scheduling. Another specific element is that all participants must be trained and tested in order to complete the project. Milestone accomplished for this reporting period. We got the office and educational training tools so we can begin to plan courses. The detailed course outline and objectives have been completed. So we are ready to get on the way with the training of these employees. I look forward to working with the project team in delivering the training and testing needed. Milestone plan for next reporting period. I'm stressing, we must update to that virtual interactive format. That will alleviate a lot of scheduling issues and milestones, because to program and train the employees, the setup has to be right. The delivery has to be right. And all 500 widget employees need to begin training and technical exercise according to the schedule plan. So these are issues that and milestones we look forward to completing for the next project status report. Here's a look at the Gantt chart with the WBS, with task and subtask, dates, duration, and resources. Like I was saying before, if we cannot get the update we'll have to add more resources to solution configuration and initiation new application. Okay, other than that, everything looks good. The project is on schedule, and I look forward to working with my project team and assuring a successful project. Thank you.